Hello viewers, welcome to Ghana's Kitchen. In today's video we will be seeing how to make peanut curd. For peanut curd you need to take about half a cup of peanuts, raw peanuts, and soak them in water. Once you soak them in water, they will become double in size and you will get around 1 cup of peanut. You need to soak them for about 5 to 6 hours and then put it in a blender, add little bit of water and extract the peanut milk. Add little bit of water and then switch on the grinder again and grind the peanuts into a fine paste. Now we will filter the milk and squeeze out all the peanut milk. So you press the pulp with a ladle and extract and filter the milk. So whatever leftover pulp, you will have to transfer it into the grinder again, add some more water and extract the second and third milk. So once you've done this, you will get a very dry pulp and all the milk would have got filtered beneath. See, now you have only the dry pulp. Now transfer the milk into a vessel. Let it be a large vessel and then put it on a stove top to boil. Now we will have to boil this milk well. Allow it to simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes so that the raw smell of the peanut goes away. See, now you have the milk with the correct temperature, warm, that is warm. So what you will have to do now is to add a few drops of lemon juice in it and then put a few chili crowns, around 4 to 5 chili crowns inside the milk, warm milk. And if you don't have chili crowns, you can use one whole green chili and then with a knife split it and then add it to the milk. Now you will have to keep this in a warm place for around 10 to 12 hours. See, now you see that the milk has transformed into curd. Look how creamy and thick the curd is. Now you can see that the curd is really thick and creamy. And now you can use this peanut curd for various dishes like dahi vada and for dahi chaat, for your lassis and to make any kadhi or more korambu. So the peanut curd is really tasty and flavorful. Do try it in your homes and you will automatically start liking it. Thank you.